So Summer, we just had a session, okay, and I was wondering how do you feel, or how did you feel before the session, and how do you feel now?
Well, before the session, I felt pretty scared of moving by myself and uh, the fear of not having enough money. And so, after just talking about it and doing some tapping and um, really shifting my thoughts and breathing, I was able to let that go. And now I feel pretty confident to move to another destination by myself, knowing that it's all going to work out.
Yes, awesome. Okay, wow. And how was that tapping for you? Was that a big problem, or was it just can you just say something about that?
Yeah, well, it wasn't a problem. It was pretty simple. It's just, I like that you showed me where to tap on my hand, and then you just talked me through describing what the shapes or what the feeling or texture is, and then just focusing on lifting it and letting it go out of your body. So it's just more kind of like a visualization.
Nice. Okay, good. I'm happy that you see it that way, and yeah, I like it as well. It's very short and precise techniques, the peak states therapy. So if you can just now after doing the session, and if you would like to remind your future self of something, do you have like a sentence you would like to record for your future self to remember?
Yeah, if you feeling stressed out or afraid or in fear, that just knowing that you can close your eyes and visualize this session, and perhaps tap while you're visualizing that everything's going to be all right.
Nice, nice.
Mhm.
Thank you very much. I wish you much luck with your yeah, with your change, with your big change in your life, and bye bye. Thank you.
Oh,